Hey, how you guys doing? This is Rich here. We have Rich TV Live, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of my top telemedicine stocks in 2020 and beyond, CloudMD Software and Services Inc. That's right, CloudMD Software and Services Inc. I am a huge fan of CloudMD, have been for a very long time. And when I brought you guys this pick, I brought it to you guys at 50 cents. You can see here it was at 54 cents just in July. Way before July, when I brought you guys this pick, I brought it to around 50 cents. But just for the fact that I want to show you kind of like what this chart looks like, I'm going to show you how we mark up this chart. So if I wanted to mark the high of the zone, I would mark it like this, which was actually yesterday was a personal best day for CloudMD. And if I want to mark the low of the zone, I just mark it like that. So now we've marked the high of the zone, we've marked the low of the zone. I always like to do that so I know what is the buying zone and the selling zone. The low of the zone to me is the buying zone. The high of the zone is the selling zone. Yesterday, we hit the high of the zone, which is the highest it's ever been since I've been watching this stock. In fact, when I brought you this stock, it was at 50 cents. So when it hit $1.35 yesterday, we saw it up over 150% since I brought you this pick first. Now, what has been the catalyst for this? Telemedicine is huge. I brought you guys TDOC, telling you guys last year was my #1 telemedicine stock. And that stock, when I brought it to you, was at $100. Today, it's at over $200. I'll take a look at TDOC right here. This is the biggest telemedicine stock in the world, TDOC right here. Here, Teladoc Health is the biggest telemedicine stock in the world. There is nobody else bigger. There's nobody else better. These guys are the biggest in the world. And I brought you this pick when it was at $100. So it's doubled, and I was right about that. And I always said that DOC, which I love because you just take the T out and you got DOC. So DOC is just a mini version of TDOC. And if you're looking for a telemedicine stock, that could be the next TDOC. And TDOC has been a huge success, clearly at $212 right now. Then why not look at DOC? This is a mini TDOC. So this is really what I love to do, is to be able to identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities before anybody else on the planet and get in early. Well, when I brought you this pick, it was at 50 cents. That was early. Now we're at $1.22. So you can see here clearly that this has been going up. It doesn't take rocket science to see this has been going up, right? So the trend is up. And I believe that this trend will most likely continue. Now, it's not to say that there can't be a dip. Anything that goes up can always come down. And remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best, because the best is blessed. And we believe that DOC has a chance to be absolutely one of the best telemedicine stocks out there. And if you're looking for a telemedicine stock, and you're looking for an opportunity to get into one of these stocks early, this is the time, in my opinion. Okay, so that's the Canadian symbol, DOC, and DOCRF in America. There it is right there. So you can see it's gone from 38 cents in America all the way to $1.02, currently at 92 cents. The market's about to open, and I do believe it will open up higher this morning due to news. So there's some news that came out for DOC this morning, and let's break it down. Here's the news. We'll keep our eyes on this as the market opens. And this is what the website looks like. It looks just like this. So the website is cloudmd.ca. CloudMD, the doctor will see you now. Get virtual medical care on your schedule and from any device, including your phone, desktop, and tablet. Instantly connect with a licensed Canadian doctor. So in a world right now with COVID-19 where people don't want to leave their homes, people are scared, people are wearing masks, this is, I believe, the future of medicine, where you can actually pick up the phone and speak to a physician, speak to a doctor without actually physically leaving your home. This is a game changer, and I believe this is the future of medicine. And that's why I've been talking to you guys about TDoc and why I personally believe that Doc is a mini TDoc. And to be able to get into a TDoc, which is at over $200, and get into a Doc, which is at $1, I believe as investors is an opportunity. That's why I wanted to bring this to your attention. Well, in addition to that, and I'm going to go through everything with Doc today and why I like this company. They've got news today. So let's just break down that news. CloudMD presenting at LD Micro Virtual Conference. Now we're going to make sure we pull this up just in case the market does open up here while we're reading the news. So the symbol in Canada, DOC on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture Exchange. The symbol in America, DOCRF on the OTCQB Exchange. And the symbol in Frankfurt, Germany is 6PH. CloudMD, a telemedicine company seeking to revolutionize the delivery of healthcare to patients, is pleased to announce that the company will be presenting at the LD Micro 500 Virtual Investor Conference, September 1st to 4th. That's next week, 2020. Dr. Essam Hamza, CloudMD CEO, will be presenting virtually on Tuesday, September 1st at 12:40 Pacific Time, 3:40 p.m. Eastern. The company will also be participating in a one-on-one investor meetings. The LD Micro Investor Conference are some of the largest microcap investor-focused conferences in the United States, with hundreds of companies and thousands of attendees. Wow. About the LD Micro. So this might be a good time to start thinking about positioning ourselves. I'm not saying it can't go down. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Past performance is not an indication of future results. And bam, market is live and Doc is already up 2%. As you could see, the market responding to the news. Now, about the LD Micro Conference, founded in 2006, the LD Micro started as a newsletter highlighting unique companies and has grown into the leading small cap investor resource and preeminent event platform in the sector. That's big. That's very, very big. The LD Micro Investor Conference series are some of the largest small cap investor focused conferences in the United States, with hundreds of presenting companies and thousands of attendees. Wow. Sounds big. That sounds massive. I should be going. The upcoming 500 event in September is LD Micro's most ambitious conference yet, and the first event that's as accessible to everyone. For those interested in attending, please contact David Schur at david@ldmicro.com or visit www.ldmicro.com. About CloudMD Software and Service. CloudMD is digitizing the delivery of healthcare by providing patients access to all points of their care from their phone, tablet, or desktop computer. The company offers SaaS-based health technology solutions to medical clinics across Canada and has developed proprietary technology that delivers quality healthcare through the combination of connected primary care clinics, telemedicine, and artificial intelligence, AI. CloudMD currently provides service to a combined ecosystem of 376 clinics, over 3,000 licensed practitioners, and almost 3 million patient charts across its servers. I'm a very big fan of CloudMD. I think that this is a story that's just getting started, and I think that the sky is the limit for a story like CloudMD software. Now, be careful. I did bring you this pick at 50 cents, currently at $1.25. Anything that goes up can always come down. The key is to try to get in on a dip, try to get in as low as possible. And, I'm going to say this over and over again, buy the dips and sell the rips. I believe that this is a company that everybody should be putting on their watch list. Everybody should be putting on their radar. And I think the upside is absolutely tremendous. Look at this, 10,000 patients and counting use CloudMD. Massive. Featured on 680 News, CTV News, CBC News, Global News. the Vancouver Sun. That might not mean a lot to you if you're outside of Canada, but if you're Canadian, those are all the largest news platforms in Canada. What you get with CloudMD? Well, available at no charge to BC and Ontario residents. That's huge. Access to doctors' evenings and weekends. Simple and easy to use interface. Connect from any device. Prescription sent directly from your doctor to your local pharmacy. So you don't actually have to even physically go to a doctor to get a prescription anymore. Prescription sent directly from your doctor to your local pharmacy. That's pretty epic. Qualified Canadian doctors, no need to take time off work, and avoid unnecessary visits to the ER where it could be dangerous, where there could be other patients that have COVID. This is the future. How can CloudMD help? Our doctors can complete the following visits via telemedicine. So check this out. You don't have to go to a doctor anymore to get general medical advice, specialist referrals, sinus infections, birth control pill prescriptions, new and renewed prescriptions, review of test lab results, rashes and skin inflammation, urinary tract infection, sick notes, cough or cold, mental health appointments, diet and nutrition concerns. That's a lot. They're handling a lot. Why patients love virtual care. See a doctor when it's convenient to you, anytime, anywhere. No longer do you need to take a half day off of work to wait an hour in the doctor's office for a 10-minute appointment. The doctor will see you now. I love it. This is the future, and we're living in the future right now. Telemedicine appointments anytime. Get after hours care. See a doctor online. Pretty cool. How it works, it's quick and easy. Here are the steps. Download our app and register. Describe your symptoms. Connect with one of our doctors. Receive your diagnosis and prescription. Seems pretty easy. And you just download the app and you get started. You can see testimonials of different people that have had great experiences, all on their website. And they're looking for more practitioners. We're always looking for passionate healthcare professionals who want to help people beyond their local practice. Get in touch with us to learn more. So if you're a practitioner, you can get in contact with them and be a part of their referral system. Like, this is going to be so big. I see the global potential here to be absolutely phenomenal. Now, take a look at their share structure. Obviously, you know that share structure is huge for me. So 114 million shares issued and outstanding, 139 million market cap, which is more than double than when I first started. So it's already grown their market cap dramatically. And like I said, 114,814,536 shares issued and outstanding. So reasonably tight share structure for a company like this. Okay, so now you could see it was at 125. It's had a little dip here. Now, some people might think that the stock is high because it's gone up from 50 cents to $1.35, currently at $1.21. I'm not doing this video to tell you to go rush and buy the stock. It's not why I'm doing this, okay? I'm strictly doing this video to let you know that this is a company that I like. I think the upside for them is tremendous. I think the upside is incredible. It's already been a huge winner. It's already been a huge success. And I want to make sure that if this continues to grow and be a huge success story, that our community is aware of this story and knows everything about this company so that it doesn't go up another 150% before you hear about it again. Okay. That's really what my modus operandi is with CloudMD. Now let's take a look at the information about this company. This is the investor presentation for CloudMD. So you can see the management team. Dr. Essam Hamza is the CEO. Dr. Amit Matar is the president, and Meena Bishay, CFO, and Kanchan Thindal, COO. Team. You can see the experience, very experienced team. Hey, how you doing, Amanda? Yeah, I think that doc is a game changer, and it's not a company that a lot of people know, and a lot of people, even less people, knew about it when it was at 50 cents when I brought it, and it's already up 150% plus. So here we are now talking about it after it's up 150%, and people still don't know this company. Well, they're going to know it one day when this thing has gone up 10 times instead of 1.5 times. So we'll just continue to tell the story, and hopefully over time, at least our membership will get a chance to benefit from the moves in the market, and whoever's obviously buying the stock. You can see the CMO, SVP of sales, head of corporate development, and the chairman. So big team, lots of experience, lots and lots of experience on this team. And why CloudMD? Because healthcare systems are broken. Rising costs, inefficient use of resources, doctor supply, and accessibility being the major reasons. Canada continues to underperform below the international average for timely access for primary healthcare. Governments and payers facing increasing costs that are simply unsustainable, especially right now with the COVID-19, everything's a mess. 39% of Canadians who visit an ER indicated that they could have avoided the visit if they had better access to primary care. Shortage of primary care doctors and nurses, especially in remote and rural communities, leads to clinicians, burnout, and patients frustrated by long wait times. This is a major issue. You can speak to any practitioner, any doctor, any nurse, and they'll tell you this is a major issue. Leads to clinician burnout and patients frustrated by long wait times. Newly licensed doctors are avoiding primary care because of these dynamics, which increases the pressure on an already stressed system. Approximately 15% of Canadians aged 12 and older don't have a primary care physician. Nearly 2/3, 59% of seniors are unable to get a same or next day appointment. Almost 7 in 10 Canadians avoid seeing a doctor when they are sick because of long wait times, limited hours, and physical barriers to care. This is the company overview. CloudMD is a healthcare technology company that is strategically poised to take advantage of the 10 trillion untapped virtual care market. There's only one other company I know that's doing this, and that's TDoc, and they're obviously exploding now at $200, and these guys are at $1. Yeah, we need to be all over this. We have developed an innovative healthcare platform with a patient-centric focus that places the power back in the hands of patients. So you can see how it all works. Pharmacies, medical clinics, medical software, and allied health professionals all working together. Medical software, AI, which is artificial intelligence, telemedicine, EMR, remote patient monitoring, personal health record patient portal, all through Doc, CloudMD. So what's the solution? CloudMD. Over 100,000 registered users combined on CloudMD and My Health Access telemedicine platforms. 24/7 real-time online booking, followed by a confirmation and reminder system. AI virtual assistant will be available and able to assist the patient perform tasks such as taking patient history and triaging for the doctor. Review medical chart and lab results in real time, and skip the waiting room and see physician from the comfort of your home or office via telemedicine. Because of the COVID-19, I can't see a better opportunity than this anywhere on the planet, to be quite honest with you, because we're still in the middle of this and people are scared to leave their homes. Secure chat with medical professionals, connect health monitoring devices, and reorder prescriptions and have delivered directly to the door. Game changer. These are game changers. Medical clinic expertise acquisition. We are focused on a vertical growth strategy that is easily scalable with low overhead. The clinics are being used as a proof of concept for our remote and virtual services, i.e. nursing, virtual medical office assistant, MOA, medical billing, and telemedicine. We have improved the traditional clinical model by implementing the following practices. Patients have their own primary care doctor, but can also be seen at any of our clinics thanks to centralized patient records, 24/7 online booking to reduce calls and no-shows, virtual visits with doctors or nurses for patient convenience, and increased income for the clinics. Love what these guys are doing. We have fully integrated medical clinics with a team of 40 physicians serving over 209,000 patients and growing fast. How you guys doing this morning? Hope you're all having a great day. I'm a huge fan of CloudMD, and in my opinion, this is the #1 small cap telemedicine stock on the planet. Healthcare tech expertise acquisition. Cloud Practice offers cloud-based electronic medical records, EMR, software applications for physicians throughout Canada. Cloud Practice products include Juno EMR, a cloud-based EMR solution, which is currently used by 376 clinics across 8 provinces, over 3,000 licensed practitioners, 1,500 staff, and 2,870,000 registered patients. Epic. Clinic Aid, a medical billing software processes upwards of $40 million in payments to over 3,000 health providers on a monthly basis. My Health Access, an online portal for patient appointments. So right here, Cloud Practice currently has a growing team of 33, including software developers and sales staff. The team is focused on building software solutions to streamline medical practice. And on January 2019, CloudMD acquired Cloud Practice. So this is a company that's really evolving, acquiring their growth, and doing everything they need to do to be a potential giant in telemedicine. Pharmacy expertise acquisition. We are partnering with pharmacies across Canada to deliver a new model to meet the current consumer needs for prescription and non-prescription pharmaceuticals. CloudMD platform fills a significant need for consumers. It offers more convenience as patients receive prescriptions quickly and efficiently, more accessible fulfillment options right through our app, private rooms that provide privacy and security at telemedicine delivery kiosks in pharmacies throughout Canada. We are currently backed by a team of 32 professionals, backed by a management team with over 20 years experience in managing pharmacies. The overall goal is to bring end-to-end primary care to all of our customers. And in April of 2019, they acquired 2 operating pharmacies. So you could see that this is a company that's just acquiring their growth and acquiring their growth and acquiring their growth. And I believe the story will get bigger, and I believe the story will get better, just like I believed it would when it was at 50 cents. Now it's at around $1.20, and I believe it still goes higher. I do. I think this thing goes higher. I really do. Despite the fact that it's in the red slightly today, I still think this goes higher. So this is what it looks like. Pharmacy kiosks. Look at this, guys. Partnering with pharmacies across Canada to provide an on-demand virtual care within existing pharmacy consultation rooms. Save on Foods, one of the largest grocery chains here in Vancouver, and Pure Integrated Pharmacy to pilot telemedicine kiosks in 9 stores throughout British Columbia. Epic. This is epic. Maybe I'll go to one of the kiosks, make a little video of this, and show you guys once I see this in the Save on Foods. I haven't seen it yet, but once I see it, I'm going to do a video. Pre-configured telehealth charts to achieve real-time diagnostic input and clinical evaluations. Attached peripherals enable modified physical exams. Look at these machines, guys. Pretty cool, right? Simple, slim kiosks that enable video only. Provides 2 revenue streams, reoccurring monthly revenue for rented equipment, and increased foot traffic for virtual visits. Love this idea. Absolutely love this. Latest developments. How about an IBM collaboration, AI-powered medical office assistant MOA through IBM Epic? Non-patient care activities such as logistical and administrative tasks consume over 51% of a nurse's workload. So you could see the breakdown of how they answer questions and deal with customers. Developing a first-of-its-kind solution in which CloudMD provides data from their medical clinics for IBM to build an integrated Watson as a virtual medical office assistant. Reduces clinics' overhead by implementing administrative workflows and eliminating time-consuming non-patient care activities for staff. Product funded and wholly owned by CloudMD. So you can see what they've been doing as they evolve and hitting all of their objectives. Their latest developments, a LiveCare acquisition, LiveCare Connect secure communications platform, a secure peer-to-peer video conferencing and instant messaging, support medical peripherals, and fully EMR agnostic and white label available. Kindred PHR secure personal health record, co-developing with McMaster University to be fully API integratable, patient-owned secure personal health info repository, self-managed care team collaboration tool, i.e. invited caregivers, EMR, labs, wearable data trackers, etc. So you could see all the different partnerships that are being developed here. It's a company that's on the rise, folks. This is the revenue model. Health tech solutions, on-site medicine, off-site medicine, medical services, and third-party partnerships. So 5 different revenue streams. You could see, and this is one of the reasons that I really like this company. Look at the revenue and adjusted EBITDA. This is a company that's growing in revenue. And to me, that is everything. Look at the revenue growth. 1.2 million in 2018, 6.7 million in 2019, 17.2 million expected in 2020, and then 34.7 million in 2021. It's a company that's growing. Look at the adjusted EBITDA. We're expecting positive EBITDA of 2.6 million in 2021. This is a company that's moving in the right direction. This is a company that's moving in the right direction. And as an investor, you're looking to get in early. So you can see some of the companies that are in the sector. If you want to compare this to some other companies like TDOC, which I've compared you to them, TELUS, Well, Amazon. So just to mention a few of the other companies in their field. And recent and upcoming milestones, you can see all the different recent and upcoming milestones that they've been hitting and they will be looking to hit. So this is a company that's on the rise, making moves. Everything looks good to me, and I think the sky is the limit. Love to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about CloudMD Software and Services Inc. I brought you this pick at 50 cents. Currently today, they are now up all the way to $1.21. So they are already up over 150% since I brought you this alert first. Congratulations to all the members. CloudMD Software in Canada, symbol DOC. In America, symbol is DOCRF. Big news, they will be representing the telemedicine sector in a conference next week. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep watching this pick. If there's anything that happens, any breaking news, any big news, I'm going to let you know first because I'm a huge fan of this company and I think the sky's the limit. CloudMD Software and Services, DOC in Canada, DOCRF in America. I think it's a big winner. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. If anything else big happens, I'm going to let you know first. This is Rich from Rich to Be Live. Thank you for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. CloudMD Software and Services Inc. up 150% since my first video at 50 cents. And now in Canada, currently trading at $1.21. I'm not saying go and buy it today. It's already moved up, like I said, 150%. Look for a dip and sell the rip, guys. Okay? Look for a dip and sell the rip. Look for the dips and sell the rips. Look for the dips and sell the rips. Okay? This is in one of the hottest sectors in the world right now, telemedicine, CloudMD software. Proud to bring you guys this pick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. And if you like this video, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and let me know what you think about CloudMD Software and Services. Do you own it? Do you like it? Are you waiting for a dip? Have you sold it? Are you waiting for a rip? Let me know. Thanks, guys.